Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export audio as an MP3 file. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting audio from Adobe Premiere Pro as an MP3 file is a simple process. You just have to follow these simple steps, all right? Number one is make sure that the file has a right audio, okay? And then once the file is completely set up, all you have to do is go to the top left corner of your screen, which is the file. And I want you to click on the export, which has the shortcut of Control plus M or Command plus M if you're using a Mac. So let's do with the shortcut. Now, once you are in the export file, you would notice that the output name is .mp4, which is video. Of course, you need to choose the format type or the file type, which is going to be MP3 format right here. It's kind of really easy, all right? And then from here, you see that the output name has been changed, right, to MP3. And then if you want to rename that, you can also do it. As you can see, I have changed the file name. Now all I have to do is hover down below if you wanted to test and edit some few settings that you wanted. All right, so the basic audio settings is going to be like channels for mono, or if you want some stereo. For the audio bitrate, you can choose from any of the following options here, from 128 to 160 to 320 kbps. You also have an option to import into project or set a start time code, which is you can put a numerical value here depending on your preferences. And the estimated file size is going to be 204 kilobyte. All right, and all I have to do is very quickly click on the export button, and it would be saved to the desired folder that you have here. All right, click on the export button, and as you can see, the video was exported successfully as an MP3 format. All right, it's kind of easy, really. Now, most of the time, if you're working with a specific client, they always prefer the MP3 because it's a compressed audio format that reduces the file size significantly compared to uncompressed formats like WAV or WAV. This makes a deal for sharing. For example, in our G Plus YouTube channel, we are a group of individual freelancers who stores and upload to the web, where smaller file sizes are needed to save bandwidth and space. So MP3 is ideal for us. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.